Hey guys, we are back again. Press the bell icon to stay connected and never miss a video.
This is the Prynt Pocket. Turn your phone essentially into a Polaroid camera, snapping a photo and printing out a physical version of that image instantaneously. The app itself allows you to look at an image and it plays a video clip. It can trigger a video clip that actual image.
Hi, the Prynt Case. This year, we released our second generation, the Prynt Pocket for iPhone, which is the smallest instant camera.
The colors on the paper reveal by using thermal heating technology. By incorporating an expandable adapter, Prynt Pocket for Android fits.
Our product is the easiest to use. It's very simple. You just have to plug your phone in, select a photo from your gallery or Instagram.
It's small enough to fit in your bag, your jackets, and can even attach to a neck or wrist strap so you can carry it with you at all times. It's not all about the hardware though. When we started, it was important for us to provide as many customization options as possible. From filters, frames, captions, and emojis, your lifestyle. To fully experience the moment captured, we've integrated the ability to embed videos into your photos. The videos replay inside the paper when you hover over your photo with the app.
We've seen users from all over the world using Prynt to inspire their projects. From room decorations to DIY, your creativity is really the limit with Prynt.
You asked us to create a product for Android, and we want to bring it into
Please like, share, subscribe and follow us on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram for more product reviews.